Yo, 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 what's going on, guys? Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. We're doing, obviously, as we always say, the inverse fair value gap back testing session. Currently, we literally have not taken a single trade for 2025. It's actually kind of slow, which is fine because, like, we just started the year. And there was a... It's actually funny, there was a trade opportunity today and I was looking at taking it, but it was literally right before the news, and I don't take trades before the news, and it would have smashed out every single take profit that I would have ever had in my entire life. It would have been absolutely beautiful, and I wouldn't say upset that I didn't take it, but it hurt a little bit. There's a little bit of FOMO, but it's okay. We'll come back tomorrow and hopefully we can get the next one. There is no trading on Friday or Thursday due to, I think the markets are just shut because of the Jimmy Carter. Anyways, his funeral. So there's no trading Thursday, which is fine. So really, I think the new week is going to be starting next week on Monday. So anyways. That being said, let's do some back testing, because why not? So first things first, I'm on the daily time frame. I feel like I need to jump ahead. I actually feel like we're not even in the right spot here. Hold your horses. We are not. Yeah, we're on Friday. Okay, let's go to Monday. I should probably also pull up the calendar. Dang, okay. The 18th of May. The 18th of May. The 18th of May. May 18th, 2020. Boom, 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 boom. No news Monday. Expect slow PA. Anywho, let's go to the daily and check it out. Why do you suck? Alrighty. Still have that SMT. Quite a nice SMT. No fair value gaps here. I'm pretty bullish. Next draw on liquidity is probably that high. I haven't taken up previous day low, but I'm probably going to be anticipating us a little bit of a pullback into maybe a fair value gap, and then we could look to trade to the upside. We got this 4-hour Ifvg here. Ifvg unfilled. Right there. Do I have any more coffee? I don't. That sucks. Which is also in line with this breaker order block, whatever. I think this would be your breaker block. This would be the main breaker block, but anyway, yeah. So far, that's about all I see. We are in a 4-hour SIBI, so I just got to make sure we break that SIBI. We got this 1-hour Ifvg, which we are tapped into currently. Probably London low at this low right here, and then yeah, so London low actually right down here. London low, Asia low is in the 4-hour fair value gap. That could actually be a big target for us, depending how market opens. We could have this Asia low, so there could be an area manipulation. Maybe take out this high and then we trade lower down into this. That's definitely a possibility. I am more bullish, but that is definitely a possibility of what can potentially happen here. So that being said, go down to a 15 quickly. Make sure knock all this off. Yeah, so right now I think we probably will go a little bit higher. We do have an SMT at the high here, so we have a mini SMT here. But I do think that we could go higher. If we do go lower, then obviously I'll want to see us like sell off. And we are tapping into this. I don't really like taking AMD models when it's in the 5-minute here, because like this drawn liquidity is clean, but we have so much telling us like that we could still go. We also have SMT here, but we don't have any Ifvgs that I would like to see. Yeah, we ain't got nothing. Nothing I personally like. We have a 3 minute here, like very tiny 3 minute. Let's see how it closes. Okay, so we respect it. We disrespect it. I'm not gonna take it, but I'll forward test it. I just don't see the validation in it. It'd be something like this. You take your trade. Bless me. Wow. Yeah, okay. So there you go. That's why I wouldn't have taken it. Just I want to see more. I need to see more PA first. I need to see more structure. Okay. So we'll go down to the hourly. Oh dear, is it coming again? Oh my. What is going on here? Okay, so now looking at the hourly, we are in a hourly fair value gap, so we very well could see us wanting to trade lower. We still have SMT with this low here. I think we're gonna have SMT with that low for a very long time. We have SMT with every single low here, so we still have SMT in an hourly fair value gap. I would consider longing. I would. So we did take out all these lows, so there is no SMT here. None there. There is an SMT here though. No, that low did not, that low. But this low down here, which we did take. So there is a gigantic SMT. I don't like this though. I'd rather honestly see more structure, as much as I think that that's probably going to work out. Nice 1 minute entry. We have a nice SMT here, but there's no clean entries for me, in my opinion. Just took out both lows. Nothing. Yeah, so your entry would have been on this guy here. This 1 minute. Stop at the low. And TP probably all the way to the top here if you'd want to reach that high. That's probably the trade of the day. Personally, we would have hit TP1, stopped out at break even. So regardless, it's all good. Still okay to look for a trade. It is accumulation, manipulation, distribution. But I do think that if we are going to want to take a trade to the downside, I would like to see this high be taken first. I think that's probably the DOL here. And yeah, no trade for me this day. Other than that one that I just showed you, would have been TP1, stop out of break even. So regardless, would have been a small win. Still nice. I'm already liking what we're seeing here with this accumulation. We'll go to the daily, hop onto Forex Factory. And we got Fed House, we got testifies, so he's not really swinging. We got building permits, 5:30, and G7 meetings all day. Anyways, coming down here, we got, this is a new week opening gap, which we traded up to on the daily. And we've taken out the highs here on both, so there's no SMT here. Now, we've taken the highs out. We got PDL down here. We've taken PDH. I don't really like the way the candle's acting with that for longs, but we still fairly bullish here. Still fairly bullish. Drop down to a 4 hour. We got our 4 hour fair value gap. We are currently trading in right now, which is far away from discount or premium. Or discount, yeah, far away from discount of that range. We have lots of accumulation down here. We got this low here. We got this high up here. which I'm gonna pull it. Where did my indicator go? Which London low has been taken. London high has not been taken. Personally, could sweep out this low maybe. Get a trade to the upside. Let's see what the open does. So far we're trading higher. Set this low out. Got an SMT here. Probably a 1 minute entry in here, yeah. Could have entered on this candle. Skipped too far ahead again, but I don't really like that entry anyways. And then you would be at 1-to-1 right now for this trade. And stopped at a break even. I honestly would like to see like some more liquidity be taken. Like, I just don't like the way this is all lining up here. Because, like, we do have an SMT now here. I would like to see a bit more liquidity taken. Okay, so we got some major SMTs going on. I actually have no clue what's happening. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. But we aren't in any higher time frame PDAs, and I don't like delivering off of this 1 hour, which I think is a 4 hour as well. Correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah, so delivering from this 4 hour, I think we're bullish. I think we're bullish for sure. We have SMT at the low. We do have SMT at the high though. We do have this 15-minute fair value gap, which we have tapped into. If I come down to a 1 minute time frame, so we have that external liquidity sweep, internal SMT. I'm not seeing any entry models quite yet. We have this 3 minute. So this 3 minute could work here. If the draw, if like we are anticipating this draw to be higher. So we have taken out London low, I think. Let me double check this before I take anything. Yeah, we've taken out London low. We're in delivery, so we have this external liquidity sweep here. Okay, we have an external liquidity sweep there. Coming down to a 5 minute or 15 minute. We've swept out these lows here. So that's what just happened here. Interesting. So we've swept out this low here. We have this SMT right here with these lows. With London high above. Oh, that's why we have this lock on. How do you get that off? Here we go. So we've both taken these lows. We swept up this low here. Might even get a little lower with an SMT at this low. And then we're pushing up higher. I think this looks clean. I just don't really have the full confidence in it. Because like I almost want to say this low might be getting taken. Well, we very well don't need to take that low out. So anyways, let's see, are we delivering from like a 5 minute here or something? That's the thing, we're not in a higher time for PDA array with this. But this could be a second stage delivery. I'm willing to give this a try, as much as I'm not the biggest fan of it. No, I'm not going to take it. And of course. Really doesn't want to hit, does it? Oh. Love that. Nothing beats that. Nothing beats it. Super ugly delivery. The whole time I would have been like stressed out taking this trade. I would have been like, bro, where aren't we hitting? Where are we hitting? That's tough. Maybe I just need to start taking it. Fuck it. We're going to start taking every trade I think will work. Let's see how well that works in our favor. Okie dokie. We'll go to the hourly time or the daily time frame for the next day. We're going to Wednesday. Got FOMC. Great. We are bullish, delivering from a daily fair value gap. Perfect. Go down to a 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour, what are we doing? Don't got much. Other than we inverse that 4-hour. We got a 4-hour OB all the way down here. We are not, but we delivered from this. We're breaking this 4-hour. Bob's your uncle. Got a 1-hour all the way down here. 1 hour unfilled. Unfilled Ifvg. Bada boom, bada bing, bada ching. Got some FMT all the way over here. We do got some SMT. Probably going to want to see that unfilled. Probably going to want to see the 1 hour be filled. Taking out London high, Asia high already, so we got London low. London low, Asia low is just down below here. Asia low. And then we do have unfilled fair value gaps, so that's fine. Drop down to a 15-minute time frame. Let's get rid of this. Accumulation, manipulation, and SMT. If we can get an internal SMT, I'd almost be willing to take a short. Now, just to clear it up, I want to see, are we in any higher time frame PD arrays? On the daily, kinda in a fair value. Okay, so yeah, that works. Let's take a look at the 1 minute here. Okay, obviously 1 minute spikes up, shoots up. Now we just kind of sit back, relax, and we wait. So far, it's not showing me too much. Okay, we're just slowly tracking higher. Still got this SMT up here. We do have an unfilled 4-hour now. Well, guys, this is a fun session. We just keep trickling up higher. No SMT. Nope. 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 Little tiny guy right there, if you count that. Well, that's a lot of fun. You know, I thought for sure we would want to see that. That was a really fun session. I actually had a lot of fun with that one. You know, nothing beats just sitting back, relaxing, and doing absolutely nothing. Welcome to trading. Cool. That's fine. Remove drawings. I was like today. That's exactly how today was, except for vice versa. The opposite way. It was just tank consolidation. Alright. Go to the next day. This is going to be a quick back section testing video. It's more like a forward testing video because we're not fucking taking any trades. That's okay. Okay, we got 6:45, 11:30, and 5:30. We do got PMI this day, so keep in mind that PMI is involved. Alright, we're going to go to the daily time frame. I'm just going to be honest, we're bullish. I'm going to stay bullish for a while now. We are delivering from this 4-hour fair value gap, which is, I'm assuming, in the EQ of this range. Just tapping equilibrium of the range, which is nice. Come down to a 1 hour. We do have a small 1 hour, but not really. We're probably going to be opening up this 1 hour. We do have this 1 hour OB here. 1 hour OB. And then 1 hour unfilled, which is all the way down here. Personally, I'd want to see us retrace before taking any trades. Unless we're going to take the highs out. We have no SMTs at the low quite yet. Well, we do actually. We have an SMT right here. And then London low and London high have been taken, so I don't need to mark those out. Previous day high has been taken, so I don't need to mark that out. Drop down to a 15. Probably missed the move. We do have accumulation, manipulate. This could be accumulation, manipulation, then looking for a distribution move to the downside. Do have this hourly fair value gap here. A retracement wouldn't kill, but see what it does when market opens. Okay, so yeah, a retracement honestly wouldn't kill. Wouldn't be horrible. Yeah, it's going to be one of these days again. I can see it. Regardless, even if this doesn't get taken, we have an SMT here. We also have an SMT right here. Go down to 1 hour or 1 minute. Shorts look pretty valid right now. I just want to see some confirmation. Maybe get a 1 minute SMT here, which we don't get. Don't really get anything and we start having a reversal. Bum 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 bum. Okay, that's fine. Be looking for longs then. We got a reversal here. We got a retracement. We have SMT at the low. We're coming into a 4-hour fair value gap, as well into a unfilled 1 hour fair value gap. So now we're in this 1 hour. We're in a 1 hour OB as well, which looks like we are starting to respect this 1 hour OB. I think we're way past the OT. We are. Drop down to a 15-minute time frame. Let's take a look at the lows here. Mad SMT at the low. Honestly, would be looking too long. Mad SMT there. With also not a big one, but a smaller one. Nothing that I like so far. 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute. Does it give us the 5 minute? It does. Little baby SMT here on the 1 minute. Guess you could say that would work. I'm gonna try this 5 minute. I think. Yeah, I'll give this 5 minute a try. So if we look at the 4 hour, we're delivering from a 4 hour. We have an SMT at the low, so an external SMT. And then we have this internal 15-minute SMT right here, which is also in line with a 15-minute fair value gap. And then if I drop to 5 minute, we have obviously the highs up there. We've taken out, we have this also one little tiny 1 minute SMT, I think, right here. Yeah, we have a tiny little 1 minute SMT there. I'll give this guy a try here. Stop at the low. And then TP2, and it is 1 to 2, which is nice. 1 to 1 right at that high there. So like the RR looks really good. I like this. I think I'll give this a go. So we have external SMT in a delivery from 4 hour fair value gap, bullish on daily. It's not an AMD model, is it? Not really, no. It's obvious. It's almost like the opposite. It's the only thing that sketches me out is that we could take out more lows like down here, but that is an SMT, so that's why I think we're gonna reverse here. On daily, we have a 15-minute SMT in a 15-minute fair value gap, 5-minute Ifvg entry, small 2 candle 1 minute SMT also. Yeah, I don't know. I think it looks not horrible. Do we have any equal highs above? We don't. We have a 5-minute change of state delivery though. So 5 minute CISD. Good. I'm not fully confident in this, but like I have decent confidence. I think it's probably gonna hit. The only thing I don't like is that we don't really have crazy targets. Like we don't have unfilleds or anything. 630 candles already been taken, so everything's kind of already. So that's the only thing that's kind of throwing me off for confidence wise. But at the end of the day, I think this is a fine looking trade. I don't think it will hurt to take it. Worst comes to worst, I'm wrong. Yeah, okay, so we were wrong. And price decides to reverse on us and take out our stop loss. Probably going to want to hunt these lows down here before, if we're even gonna make a reversal. Looking like we don't want to. Should have taken the top trade up here, which was the main entry, or the main kind of trade that would have been the ideal entry, but that's okay. That's the way we learn, right? Move on to the next day. We got one more day and then we are done for this week. So 1 loss so far of the week, 1 trade, 1 loss. I find with this strategy I don't take too many trades. Like if I actually would have decided to let's be real, grow some balls and just taking the two trades that were on this day that looked semi-decent, would have been up a good amount. But instead, I decided, hey, let's not. But that's okay. That's how you learn, right? That's how you learn. Anyways, topping into a daily fair value gap, showing respect here. So clear as day. I think we're going to be a bit bullish here, topping into there as well. On the S&P, drop down to the 4-hour time frame. We are inversing this 4-hour fair value gap, so things are looking really clean. This is a very nice inverse that honestly you would probably just take that trade itself, but that's not it's not what we do. We look for the tiny entries here. So hopefully we can inverse it. Hopefully we can inverse that. I'm going to go down to a 1 hour. This is a 4-hour Ifvg. So coming down to the hourly, we do have this hourly 1 hour unfilled Ifvg. Do have this 1 hour OB. OB tries. No name, no pivot. And we got some highs to be taken out up here. Got London low all the way down here. Probably won't reach out for London low. Probably, in my opinion, I think we're going to go for Asia high. Asia high and previous day high. Need to make sure we have no SMT or nothing. Okay. I almost want to see us come down here and beat accumulation, manipulation, distribution to the upside. I want to see us trade lower. I also do want to make sure that we just like that. I think we're gonna go higher. It's just a matter of getting the right entry here now. That's a bummer. I think we aren't gonna get it. I just don't want to take a trade like literally right away. Yeah, called it. Could have entered like here, but that's just so ugly. Yeah, it's just not clean. Like you would have seen, like this 2 minute super clean, but you would have seen this like there's this SMT here, which you would have, yeah, there's no entry. No, there's no entry at all. Only entry would have been this 2 minute inverse fair value gap right here, but I just didn't like that because we don't have an SMT at the low. So which is fine. We're inversing this. I think all-time high is, or Asia high is definitely going to be the DOL. Now, what can I take? Do I want to take a short? No. I don't think we got anything. I think we're just going to reach for Asia high. Super clean too. But we inverse the 4 hour. Inverse this 1 hour. I almost would just want to see us retrace into something maybe this 15-minute OB, and then find a trade higher. So I think that's what the plan is that we're just going to go higher. Those are equal lows. I don't really like that. Okay, I'm going to try this. So we got an SMT here. And now we have this internal 1 minute SMT. We have an unfilled 5 minute above. I spelled that so wrong. No, not much at the highs. But we're in this 4 hour or a 1 hour fair value gap. The only thing that I can think about is, so we're in a 1 hour fair value gap, inverse dollar. Yeah, this looks really clean actually. I'm gonna give this a smack. And I can't give that one quite yet. I can give this though. Yeah, I'm gonna give this a go. Hopefully the 5 minute just gets ran right through. And then we can target Asia high as like the main DOL. And so depending how Asia high starts hesitating, I'll take my profits. No 2 minute, no 3 minute, no 1 minute. That's a bummer that didn't close right. We're gonna try this. So I'm gonna I need to draw. I want to see if this is OTE as well. I believe it is. Yeah, so it's rejecting OTE. So we're delivering from a 4 hour fair value gap. Ooh, no. Delivering from a 4 hour as well a daily. Delivery from 4 hours / daily FVG. We inverted a 4 hour and 1 hour FVG. $15-minute SMT in a 1 hour FVG. Unfilled 5 minute above. Session high above. There's no equal highs, but we have, oh yeah, tapping into the 15-minute OTE. 15-minute OTE. Change of state and delivery on the 15 as well. This looks pretty clean to me. 1 minute inverse fair value gap entry. 1 minute SMT. 1 minute IFVG entry. Confidence. I think that's gonna hit. At external, internal, higher time frame, unfilled. IFVG. We have no equal highs, but do we have the 630 candle? We don't. No, 630 candle's all the way over there, so no. Let's give this a go. I just don't like the RR for it, like where the targets are, but that's okay. First TP will be at this high. Don't like the reaction we're getting so far. I really don't like this reaction. Yeah, we're toast. Unless a miracle happens here, guys. Unless an absolute miracle happens, we are toast. Do we have an SMT? Are we going to get our miracle or no? Okay, well, we have an SMT at the low here. Will we get our miracle? No. All right. That's a good way to end it. 2 losses. Let's just... Ouch. It's a good way to end it. I could have really had a good week if I wouldn't have just been a wussy and not taken the trade. Or if I would have taken the trades on the 18th and the 19th. But instead, I didn't like them. I'm not going to take them. And they work out. So, my bad. My fault. Seems to be like that a lot of the times. I'm like, oh, it looks okay, I'm not gonna fully take it, and I'm like, why not? You're fucking backtesting, bro. Just fucking take the trade. Who cares if it lose? Who cares? They're gonna learn from it regardless. Fucking take the trade. Anyways, welcome to backtesting. I gotta love it. Anyways, guys, if you guys like the video, hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button. See if this fucks me or not. Just so choppy now. Fuck. The markets are out to get me. Totally out to get me. Wow. Just all my liquidity gets taken. So it's like, yeah, we just got to take Dawson's liquidity and then we can go up. That's so funny. Anyways, guys, if you like these videos, hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button. Comment down below what you guys want to see potentially in the near future. We just dropped our win rate by a significant amount. So far, it's a 64. It's still a decent win rate. I will not complain about that, but I still got to look into ways to bump this up and try and make this as best as possible. We're still up for the month. We're still up for the year. We're still up in total. And we still have a complete another week to go for. So I am not going to complain. I'm really happy with the results so far. I think there will be ways that I can fine tune these results and get better risk to rewards and stuff like that. But in the meantime, I'm going to keep just following what I'm doing as of right now, so that coming into 2025, we can see the same results, hopefully. Anyways, guys, like I mentioned, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you guys want to join the free Discord, link will be in the description. Like I always say, if I get enough active people in there, I will start live streaming, live trading, doing whatever, having chats with you guys, etc. So link is in the description for the Discord. And if you guys would want 15% off of your FX replay, use code DDFX. That's DDFX. Anyways, guys, hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.